Have you ever stood up and felt your legs wobble just for a second? That little shake. It's not just a sign of getting older, it's your body whispering, hey, I need a little help down here. If you're like me, you want to wake up, stretch and feel strong, especially in your legs. Because legs aren't just for walking, they're for living, for dancing at weddings, chasing after kids, or simply climbing the stairs without a second thought. So, what if I told you there's a single, humble food that can help you regain leg strength in just 12 hours? It's not some fancy supplement or a miracle drug cooked up in a lab. This is something you might already have in your kitchen right now. And yes, I promise, it's that simple. Let's cut to the chase. The secret food is eggs. Yeah, you heard me. Good old eggs. Packed with high-quality protein, vitamins like B12, D, and minerals such as selenium, eggs are like a power-up for your muscles. When you eat eggs, you're giving your muscles the amino acids they crave to repair and rebuild fast. And that means a real difference you can feel, sometimes in as little as 12 hours. Here's why: muscle fibers, especially in your legs, are constantly breaking down and rebuilding. If you're working out, or even if you're just living your daily life, those muscles need the right building blocks. Eggs deliver those building blocks in a form that's easy for your body to use. But it's not just about science, it's about how you feel. Imagine standing up tomorrow, stretching and feeling a little lighter on your feet, a little steadier. That's what a small change can do. It's not magic, it's nourishment. And here's a tip: try eating 2 eggs for breakfast or lunch, scrambled, poached or boiled, however you like. Pair them with some greens for an extra boost. You'll notice more energy, better mood, and a new spring in your step. So, next time you open your fridge, think about what your legs are asking for. Give them what they need. Try this out and let me know in the comments how you feel after 12 hours. Did you notice a difference? Did you feel stronger? I'd love to hear your stories. Sometimes the simplest changes lead to the biggest results. Take care of your legs. They carry you through life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to comment below. Your experience could help someone else take their first step toward strength. Thanks for watching. Stay strong and